Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. In last video, I made you understand the prime factors and the composite factor, and I told you how to find out the prime factor. I told you the division method. After that, we are just going to start the exercise 8a, and in next video we will understand how to find out the HCF. So we are just starting the exercise 8a. The first question of this exercise is saying, write all the factors of the given numbers. The first question is saying that find all factors of the given number. This is the part 1 of this 15, and you have to write all the factors. I told you how to write the factors. Means factor, I told you what are the factors? The numbers which divide the given numbers. Now this number is given and we have to find those numbers which divide the 15 exactly. So those numbers will be called the factors of this. So how many numbers are there? 1 is there. Okay. Then 2 is there or not? 2 is not a factor of this because 2 does not divide the 15. Okay. Then 3 and 5 and 15 as well. 15 is also a factor of this because 15 plus 15 is divided. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15 and 1 15s are 15. So these all are the 1, 3, 5 and 15. These four are the factor of the 15. Got it? One more. Like I am just taking the second 55. What are the factors of the 55? Yes, 1 will be there. 1. Then after 5, 11 are, and then 11 5s are 55, and then 55 itself. So 1, 5, 11 and 55 are the factors of 55. So rest of this 36 and 84 you will do on your own. Now I am just taking you to the question number 2. Now you have to write the prime number less than the given number. Okay. You have to write the prime numbers less than 25. Means you have to write all those prime numbers which are less than 25. I told you what are the prime numbers. The numbers which are exactly divisible by only 1 and itself. The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself are called the prime number. Okay. So what are the numbers which are less than 25? Then 2. 2 is the prime number. I told you 2 is the smallest prime number. Then 3. 4 is not there, 4 is the composite. One more thing, 4 is the smallest composite number. Remember this, 4 is the smallest composite number and 2 is the smallest prime number. Then, so we are talking about prime number less than 25. We have to write all those. 2, 3, then 5, 7, then 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, okay, then 19. Then after 20, 21, 23. So these are the prime number which are less than 25. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. These are the prime number which are less than 25. And now the second question is saying that we have to write the prime number between 15 to 35. It is very easy. Means all those numbers which lie between the 15 and 35 we have to write. Okay. That is the first part of this. And second, prime number between 15 to 35. Okay. So between, we will not take 15 or 35 because it is saying that between. So 16 is a prime number. 16 is not a prime number. Then 17, 18, 19, then 20, 21, 22, 23, then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. These are the numbers 17, 19, 23, 29 and 31. 17, 19, 23, 29 and 31 are, these all are the prime number between the 15 and 35. So easy this question. So next question, you have to write the prime number between the 8 and 76. You will do just like this question. Okay. Now the third question. Write the prime number from 5 to 45. Exactly same question is there. We will do like this. Okay. Third question is exactly same. Now the fourth question. In last video I told you how to solve the how to find out the prime factors. Okay, I am just telling you once again here. It is the question number 4. Write the prime factor of the given number. Prime factor of first is 16. Okay, we have to write the prime factor. In last video, if you remember that I gave you the example of the 12. Okay, similarly you will do like this, and I gave you one method that was the division method. So we will apply here division method. So we have to write the prime factor. So you will use the division method. And in division method, we always divide the given number by the smallest number. So except the 1, we will not use the 1. 2 8 the, 2 4 the, 2 2 the, okay, and 2 1 the. Got? So what are the prime factor? 2 only. Then prime factor of 16 is equal to 2. Okay, prime factor of 16 is equal to 2. Now the second part of this, you have to find the prime factor of 27. Prime factor of 27. Now you have to find the prime factor of the 27. Here you have to find the prime factor of the 16. So what type of prime factor are there? Only 2. Got it? Here you have to find out the prime factor of 27. Use the division method. 27 is not divisible by 2. So we will take the 3 instead of that. Because by 3, 27 is exactly divisible. 9 is 3 9 is 27. Now 3 is divisible by 3, 3 3 is and 3 1. So what are you seeing here? 3 is the prime factor of 27. So answer will be 3. Okay. Now the one more third I am just telling you. That is the third question of here we have to find out the prime factor of 35. We have to find the prime factors of 35. We will use this method. 35. It is divisible by 5. 5 7 is 35. Now 7 is divisible by 7. 7 is the 7. So you can see here then the prime factors of 35 is equal to 5 and 7. The prime factor of 35 is equal to 5 and 7. Okay, so by this way you can find out the prime factor of the given number. Now I am just going to tell you the fifth question. This question is exactly same. I am telling you the second question of this. Okay, don't confuse by the Pn means the prime factor, and you have to write the prime factor of the given number 24. Find the prime factor of the 24. We will do this question exactly same as I told the question number 4. 24. Okay, it is divisible by the 2. 12. 12 is divisible by again 2, 6. And 6 is divisible by 2, 3 the 6, and 3 is divisible by only 3. So 3 will come, 3 on the 3. So the prime factor of 24 will be 2 and 3. You can see here only two types of prime numbers are there, 2 and 3. So these are the prime number. Okay, these are the prime number of 24. So with this question, this exercise is finished. In next video, I will make you understand the HCF, and after that we will start the 8B exercise. So till then, you just practice of all these questions and keep studying. Thank you.